Hi everyone! I will show you how to upload a Shopify theme via zip file on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify admin dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click directly on Online Store. This will automatically open your themes library. Look at the Discover Theme section, click on the Import button, and select Upload Zip File from the drop-down menu. A pop-up window will appear on your screen. Click on the Add File box in the center, or drag and drop your theme zip file directly into that area. Finally, click on the Upload File button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up window to add the theme to your library. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to upload a Shopify theme via a zip file on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.